Hello friends, good morning all of you. You all are welcome in the standard 10. Today we are going to study the mathematics part 1. In that chapter number 1, that is linear equations in two variables. Now let's start. Chapter number 1, linear equations in two variables. So what is meant by linear equation in two variables? It is an equation with two variables and its degree is 1. Okay. What is linear equation in two variables? It is nothing but an equation with two variables. It means any two variables can be taken. Okay, we can take an example x, y are the two variables, or in place of that any other variables p, q. Okay, likewise you can take, and its degree is 1. What is meant by the degree? Degree is the highest power of variables. Means whatever variables we are going to take, their highest power should be 1. Okay, so that is the degree. Now examples of linear equations in two variables. Example number 1, 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here 3 is a coefficient of x. Okay, and in the second term minus 4 is the coefficient of y and 12 is the constant term. Okay, it is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Second equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, so in this way you can take many other equations, okay, etc. Now in these equations you can see x and y are the two variables and the degree of the variables x and y is 1. Here you can see the highest power of x is 1, y is also 1. So in overall, what is the highest power? That is 1. In the second example also, the highest power of variables is 1. So these types of equations are called as linear equations in two variables. Okay, now let us see general form of linear equations in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is nothing but the general, or it is also called as standard form of linear equations in two variables. Okay, now here a, b and c, all these are real numbers. Okay, it means the values of real. What is meant by real numbers? Real numbers are the numbers which are present on the number line. It means negative, positive or 0. But value of a comma b, at a time it is not equal to 0. Okay, at the same time a and b are not 0 at the same time. Okay, now example 2x plus 4y is equal to 13. Write this equation in its general form. So we know what is the general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now this given equation is not in the general form. You have to write in it in the general form. So how it can be written in the general form? It is 2x plus 4y, and this 13 taken to the left hand side, it will be minus, and which is equal to 0. Okay, so this is about the linear equation in two variables, its examples and its general form. Now on page number 1 of this chapter, there is a given an activity. Complete the following table. Equation number 1 is given. Okay, these are the equations given, and here you have to write, is the given equation a linear equation in two variables or not. The first is 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. So here already it is given, yes. Now you can see the second equation, 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Here you can see the highest power of this equation is 2, because the power of x is 2, power of y is 1. So in overall the highest power is 2. So it is not a linear equation in two variables. So you can write there no. In the third equation, root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16. Here the highest power of x and y is 1. So yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. In the fourth equation, you can see 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Here x and y are the two variables, and the powers, highest power is equal to 1, but the coefficient of x is 0. Coefficient of x is 0. It means now if this term 0x is deleted, okay, then what your equation will become? 6y minus 3. Then this equation is not in two variables, it is only one variable. Okay, are you getting it, students? 0x, okay, if we delete this term, then only one variable equation is remaining. So this is not a linear equation in two variables, it is one variable equation. Okay, so here I am writing no. Equation number 5, 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, here the coefficient of y is 0. Now if this term is deleted, only one variable is remaining. Okay, so this is equation in one variable. So this is also not a linear equation in two variables. In the next, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. This is also not a linear equation in a two variables, because if we take cross multiplication here, means 4y, okay, plus 5x is equal to 4. Okay, this 4y plus 5x upon x multiply y, denominator. Okay, now after simplifying this, equation will become 4y plus 5x is equal to 4xy. Now here you can see that xy, the degree, the power of x is 1 and power of y is 1. So in overall its power will become 2. So therefore it is not an equation in two variables. Okay, because it is not a linear equation, because its degree is now become 2. Okay, and now last example, 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is also not a linear equation in two variables, because here also power of x is 1, power of y is 1, 1 plus 1 will become 2. Okay, now the power of this equation or a degree of this equation will become 2. So therefore it is not a linear equation in two variables. Okay, thank you students.